Welcome to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a smoothing tea for sore throat and cough relief. So we're just going to get into it quick as possible. Here I have some cinnamon, fresh honey, organic honey, fresh ginger, lemon. So we're going to need some hot water to make this. We need about 1 teaspoon of honey, and we need about one whole fresh lemon, which I have here. And we have about quarter of ginger, and I'm going to grate that, and I'm going to show you how to execute this perfect recipe. So just sit around and let me show you how to make this perfect tea. And believe me, it does work. We're going to add a pinch of cinnamon to this, or turmeric, whatever you have. So I'm going to quickly explain why the honey. Honey smooth the throat and have antibacterial properties. Lemon provide you with vitamin C for the body, which is vital. The ginger is full of anti-inflammatory properties and is good for coughing, and the lemon is good for mucus. Now, the cinnamon is good for anti-inflammatory, to clean all out those nasty bacteria out your body. So that's why when you combine all of these, they make a perfect smoothing tea for coughing and sore throat and congestion. Next up, we need to juice lemon. So the lemon, we're going to cut that in half. And what we're going to do, we're going to take empty container. And we're going to squeeze out everything out of it. So now, the ginger, give him a bit of wash, and we're going to grate it. When you do this, you break up the fiber. Next up, we have our water over the other side already boiled up and ready to go. So water, just going to put him over here. So you need to put your ginger in that. We're going to go in with the lemon. Next up, we have the cinnamon in that. Give him a bit of stir. Next up, nice good spoon of natural honey. Give them a bit of stir. If you notice this time, I didn't boil it. We're going to cover him and let him steep for 2 to 3 minutes. So we're going to go ahead, remove the lid off that. And then we're going to get our teapot of choice. So next up, you strain him off in this. Next up, just get your teacup and pour your tea up. Then I'm going to just put a piece of fresh ginger on it, ladies and gentlemen. If this is a video of any help to you, ladies and gentlemen, please do like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Remember to share this video, ladies and gentlemen. This is very healthy. This is a cut above the rest. Wow. Very nice. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching.